Second, under the muchachos and muchachas, this is your boy, Will Rogers, aka Mastery, Master Teacher 33. Today, my brothers, my sisters, let's reveal, explain, illuminate, and simplify how to build or structure your spiritual and psychological infrastructure. One of the keys or one of the most important reasons for joining the Space Academy at MT33, author to architect, aka spiritual and psychological framework. If you do not structure your own, if you are not able to maintain your own brain, that's how you experience toxic shame. So toxic shame is the inability to maintain your own brain. And so most of us good high vibrational individual expressions of source code on earth, we don't have the ability to process or to structure our own brain. So the way, what I mean by structure your own brain, I mean there must be a spiritual, psychological, authentic awareness or consciousness or perception which controls your emotional capacity. The inability to control, to harmonize, to be able to have all of your mental dispositions work for you. You don't try to cast them out or get rid of them. You have them for a specific purpose. Disposition is just thoughts. So thoughts come into your head, so you don't try to stop them. You have good thoughts, you have bad thoughts. The Bible talks about this, the flesh wars against the spirit wars against the flesh. The Bible talks about the fact that, I want to do good, but the things I want to do, I don't do. The things I don't want to do, I do. Wretched man that I am, blah, blah, blah. So we all know about this war. How do you marry the war? That's metacognition. The whole purpose of the Space Academy Diagnostic System from a Christ Ethiopian perspective is to give you the ability to live in your heart, not in your head. That's the secret sauce. The ability for you to be a high vibrational individual expression of God on earth. The ability for you to be an ambassador or a royal priest, a holy nation, a joint heir, all the stuff that we talk about is for you to understand how to structure your own authentic, psychological, spiritual metacognition. How to be able to think about what you're thinking. So you're thinking, okay, you want to be able to step outside of your thoughts and look at how you're thinking. How do you do that? Well, you do that by establishing something called value. What and who are the most valuable to you, especially in the areas of wealth, health, wisdom, and relationships. What is value? What or who has value? What has value? What is value? You have to define that. Who and what do you value? That determines how to structure your thoughts. So you're focusing your thoughts and your energy on value. Most of us spend too much time focusing our thoughts and energy on things that have no value. And that changes. When I was a young father, the thing that was most valuable to me was my children. Early on in my first marriage, before children came, the thing that was most valuable to me was my job and my career, to be a good provider. So as you change, as you grow older, now all my children are grown and gone. They all got their own families now. So again, value the things that I hold in high esteem. What is the most important thing? What is the elephant in the room in the areas of wealth? What is the elephant in the room in the areas of health? What is the elephant in the room in the area of relationships? What is the elephant in the room in the area of education or wisdom? What is the elephant in the room in the area of spirituality? So in the beginning, the emphasis was on getting wealth. Now the emphasis is on maintaining. So what I value most is not necessarily getting more money. What I value most is maintaining money. Stable, establishing stable stability, something that you can, your money making money. Notice how the emphasis changed. So your value, the inability for you to sit down and structure for you to establish a new framework, moral absolutes, for you to change the things that are extremely to you. So your value changes. That should change over time. The things that you value, they are going to change over time. That's extremely over to understand that. So now the question, going back again to structuring and building. Now all this is done, the frame is done when you test at the website MT33 author to architect. The results allow me to create a system that's going to the architecture, the inside, the inner framework that allows you then mental blueprint to create architecture. That way you can house or increase your emotional capacity, your spiritual and your psychological capacity. So you can hold only the frequency. You can hold the frequency you would like to maintain. Nothing is more than building your infrastructure, building your own authentic psychological house, your own spiritual house that has the glory of God. So the dwelling Ruach and the Pneuma, so God can dwell, so that way you have the Ruach and the Pneuma, the Holy Spirit, that it can guide you in all truth. So that into your brain that doesn't match. Built and structured architecture can be expelled, can be extrapolated or removed. So the whole point is to create a spiritual, psychological, authentic energy grid. It's entrepreneurial in nature, so that way it can assist you with managing your own thoughts. Notice that this system is not external. It has nothing to do with managing other people. This is all about managing your own selves or managing yourself. So what I'm talking about is managing your own frequency, your own wave, your own verb, your own vibration. This is the household management of your own soul. Your soul is your own mind, will, emotion, imagination, and intellect. That's your job, is to get don't try to change your disposition, manage it. Rearrange it so that way the thoughts that come into your head, you are able to select those thoughts that are beneficial and to minimize those thoughts that are not. And you do that when you go through the S.P.A.C.E Diagnostic System. And it gives you back the 5 pillars of spiritual, psychological, authentic, conscious energy, and conscious entrepreneurship. So that way you can be an entrepreneur that's conscious, authentic, psychologically and spiritually sound. As an entrepreneur that is Christ conscious and authentic, now you're able to be psychologically and spiritually stable. And now you can make sound decisions because you have the emotional capacity, you have the bandwidth, you have the spiritual infrastructure, you have the spiritual storage or CPU. So you have, again, and let's say an internal storage and external. You have an external hard drive or storage, and you got an internal. So now you can hold all of the frequency ranges of low vibration all the way to high vibration. So now you have increased your spiritual and psychological capacity to hold the authentic conscious energy that that has been sent down by God or source that's inside of you. Now you don't have to go outside of you anymore. Now you have capacity to be able to hold that frequency range of God. You can actually hold the capacity you can hold the fullness of the Godhead. You can hold the fullness of the monad. You can hold the entire infrastructure of heaven. So you are heaven that is encapsulated inside of a body. You are source code. You are God trapped. You are the genie in the bottle. So you have treasure hidden in earthen vessels. What is this treasure? Christ in you, the hope of glory. It's already inside of you. You don't have to go outside of you. That's the beauty. That's the benefit of taking advantage and going to the website mt33architect.com and click on the link that says, again, free quiz. Take the quiz. When you take the quiz, then you get the results. When you get the results, then you enroll in the course. When you enroll in the course, you go through the 5 pillars, 30 days each for a total of 150 days or about 6 months. At the completion of that period, now you have a new frequency, you have a new spirit, you have downloaded the spirit of source code, you have the mind of God, the mind of source. Now you see the world in a totally different perspective. Now you have a spiritual, psychological, authentic perspective. That spiritual, psychological, authentic perspective allow you to be an entrepreneur, or allow your energy to be conscious. When your energy is conscious, it is authentic. When your energy is authentic, it is ruthless. When it's ruthless, it is selfish. When it's selfish, it's confident. When it's confident, it is certain. When it is certain, it is high value. And instead of living in your head, which is that you're destinational driven, you live in your heart. And your heart is more in line with the process or the road. So now you are married to the road instead of being married to the goal. And once you are married to the road instead of married to the goal, that's when your entire life changes, because now the fact that you are married to the road, you are totally in line with the road. So the only thing that's important is the road. Now, the goal is automatic. But what happens is when you are married to the road, the goal becomes automatic. But when you're married to the goal, then the road becomes the thing that you're looking for. Could you imagine every day you have a process that you've established? This process that you personally established allow you to do what? You're married to it. You love the step-by-step process. So because you are in love with the process represents the heart. The outcome or the destination represents the head. So again, the heart is way more powerful than the head. So once your heart is in it, you're guaranteed to win it. And if your heart is not in it, then you can't win it. So this is all about heart-head connectivity. That's the whole purpose of the space system. The Space Academy is all about establishing your heart that is based upon you are being spiritually, psychologically authentic, so that your consciousness controls your frequency and your energy. That makes you extremely, extremely powerful. So that's it, brothers. For the short, sweet message today. Make sure you go to the website at MT33 Author to Architect, MT33 Author to Architect. Click on the link that says free quiz, and let's get this party started. God bless.